Welcome to AI Beat, your daily dose of the latest in artificial intelligence and tech innovation. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter for fresh insights every day. Now, let's explore what's trending today. Across Europe, the infrastructure for AI is expanding. The Euro HPC initiative has selected 6 new sites to host AI factories, hubs that will foster research, innovation, and commercialization. This expansion positions Europe as a competitive player in AI, building a robust ecosystem to support startups, academia, and industry. Finally, SAP has launched a new business suite that unites AI, data, and enterprise applications into a single platform. The goal is to streamline operations, improve analytics, and enable smarter decision-making across organizations. This kind of integrated approach is shaping the future of enterprise AI, making sophisticated tools accessible and actionable at scale. Today's trends highlight a world where AI is becoming more integrated, more regulated, and more capable of transforming industries. From quantum computing to healthcare, from regulatory frameworks to enterprise tools, the landscape is evolving rapidly. It's an exciting time to be involved in AI. There's plenty to watch, learn, and contribute to. Thanks for listening. If you found these insights valuable, remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring the future of AI. AI adoption continues its rapid ascent, with nearly 78% of organizations now integrating AI into their core operations. The focus isn't just on automation anymore. Generative and agentic models, those that can generate content or act autonomously, are becoming central to how businesses innovate. Imagine AI agents working alongside humans, enhancing creativity and efficiency. This shift is transforming the workplace, making processes smarter and more adaptive. One standout development is from Atlassian, which has upgraded its Rovo AI assistant. This isn't just about chatbots, it's about automating complex tasks like coding, bug detection, and project forecasting. For software development teams, this means less time troubleshooting and more time focusing on strategic innovation. The promise here is clear. Workflows are becoming more streamlined, errors reduced, and productivity boosted. Meanwhile, in the realm of quantum computing, a Swedish startup called First QFM AB has secured over €1 million in funding to push forward AI models specifically designed for quantum systems. This is a significant step because quantum computing promises to revolutionize AI by enabling faster, more powerful processing. Early investments like these suggest that quantum AI could soon become a foundational pillar of advanced computational systems, opening up new frontiers for research and application. On the regulatory front, Europe is clarifying the rules of the game. The European Commission and data protection authorities have published new guidance to clarify how the Digital Markets Act and GDPR intersect. For companies operating in Europe, this guidance provides much-needed clarity on compliance and competition, helping them navigate the complex landscape of data governance. It's a reminder that as AI advances, so too must the legal frameworks that ensure fair and responsible use. In California, legislation is tightening the reins on data privacy. New laws introduce stricter rules around transparency, consent, and consumer rights. For businesses handling personal data, this means adapting policies and practices quickly or facing penalties. It's a signal that privacy is not just a regulatory checkbox, but a core component of responsible AI and data management. Turning to tools that empower data-driven decisions, Microsoft has enhanced Power BI with new in-browser AI data preparation features. Now, users can clean, transform, and prepare data directly within the platform. No need for complex external tools. This integration lowers barriers to entry for AI-powered analytics, enabling more organizations to harness data for insights faster than ever before. Data integration is also advancing. Databricks has launched its SAP Data Cloud Connect, allowing seamless integration of SAP data for advanced analytics. Companies that rely on SAP systems can now unlock real-time insights and leverage AI for smarter decision-making, bringing together enterprise data silos to fuel innovation. In the public health space, AI is revealing new insights into adolescent obesity. A recent study used machine learning with explainability techniques like SHAPI to identify key modifiable factors influencing youth obesity. These findings could inform targeted interventions, demonstrating AI's potential to impact public health policies meaningfully. In the clinical realm, research into rare diseases like myasthenia gravis shows promise but also highlights the need for further validation. A systematic review found that while AI models can predict outcomes, their clinical value remains unconfirmed. This underscores the cautious optimism we should maintain. AI can be a powerful tool, but rigorous validation is essential before widespread adoption.